Hi, it's Ask My Stylist with Lisa G coming back to you from behind the chair. Um, you know what? I have a little trivia. Okay. I got the question, what do I do with my braids or my extensions out in the water or when I'm out at the beach? Okay. Once you come out of the water or before you go in the water, if you have braids and extensions, what do you do? A, do nothing, don't even go in the water. B, spray some leave-on conditioner in your hair and rinse once you come out of the chlorine or the beach or salt water. Or C, just jump on in and hope for the best. Da-da-da. Okay, and it's B, and I'm pretty sure most of you got that right. Clients, you guys have become so savvy and understanding what you need to do with your hair, with the YouTube and Google search. You can find out just about anything. But even when you have braids and extensions, you need to spray leave-in conditioner into the braids or extensions. Most of them are a mixture of human hair and synthetic. That's fine. What you want to do when you do this is have the chlorine or the salt water just slide on out of your hair. And it's the same thing with your natural hair. You don't want it to sit in. You don't want it to start eating away, especially with braids. You don't want to start eating away at your hair. So, you kind of curtail that. You rinse it out. Conditioner is the best. A lot of people are not shampooing with shampoo, so you can go for your no poos or you can go for your cold wash. It's perfect. But you know what? It helps you maintain the integrity of your hair. And that's what it's all about. We want to see you come back from the beach as professionals, stylists. We want to see you come back with hair on your head. That give us something to work with. You can't work with nothing. Nothing from nothing leaves what? You got it. Nothing. All right, we'll be back with more tips.